Struggling with mood swings, cravings, or irregular periods? Then this is for you. Your hormones actually reset every 90 to 120 days, which means with the right food, sleep, and stress management, you can naturally restore balance. No medication needed. But your system is sensitive. Just one night of poor sleep can spike insulin and throw off estrogen and testosterone. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which suppresses key hormones like progesterone. And when your liver is overloaded from alcohol, toxins, or processed foods, it can't clear out excess estrogen, leading to mood swings, fatigue, and hormonal chaos. Here's what most people don't know. Even something as simple as seed cycling, using flax, pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seeds, can help regulate your cycle and ease PMS. And that's just the start. There are a few more powerful, natural tools that can support your hormones every day. Adaptogens like ashwagandha help lower cortisol and ease stress. Maca powder boosts energy, libido, and balances estrogen and testosterone. Magnesium is essential for sleep, PMS relief, and calming your nervous system. Herbal teas like fennel and sage support estrogen balance, while lemon balm soothes the adrenals. And for some, intermittent fasting, when done gently, can improve insulin sensitivity without disrupting the cycle. Small, natural steps, big hormonal shifts. Ready to take it even further? In the next video, I'll show you the powerful herbs women have used for centuries to boost fertility, balance their cycle, and support hormones, all without pills. You don't want to miss this.